My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on Applied Data Science with Python. This is lecture number 340. In this lecture, I will continue my discussion on imbalanced data with respect to naive-Bayes classification algorithm. Let's take an example. Before understanding this lecture, I request you to go through my previous lecture. Let's take an example. Let's assume my n1 equal to 900 positive points and n2 equal to 100 negative points, because the total number of negative data points itself small. When I look at probability, how can I calculate probability? Probability of Wi given y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means what? It is negative class, isn't it? How many negative points are there? 100. Therefore, in denominator, what will you get? You will get 100. Then what about probability of Wi given y equal to 1? Y equal to 1 means positive class. Y equal to 0 means negative class. What will you get in denominator for positive class? You will get 900. In the case of negative points, numerator lies between 0 and 100. Means in the case of negative points, as there are less negative point, 100 negative points, for negative points probability I will get small numerator, whereas for positive class I will get large numerator. In the case of negative points, numerator lies between 0 and 100, whereas in the case of positive points, your numerator lies between 0 to 900. Here there are more possibilities. If you observe for positive class, let me repeat. In the case of negative points, numerator lies between 0 to 100 because of all the 100 data points which belongs to negative class. The word occur either in 0 documents or up to 100 documents. While in the second case, that is probability of Wi given y equal to 1, the range is 0 to 900. Here there are more possibilities than case 1, than probability of Wi given y equal to 0. So the numerator of positive class probability is higher than numerator of negative class probability. So what often happens is, when you compute probability of Wi given y equal 0 for an imbalanced data set like this, the negative class probability, this is the minority class. What is my negative class? It is minority class, and this is positive class is majority class. In the minority class, the ratio tend to have smaller numerator than the majority class. When you have smaller numerator and when you have smaller numerator as compared to larger numerator, let's assume we apply Laplace smoothing. Laplace smoothing for positive and negative class. Use the same alpha for positive and negative classes. When you are using the same alpha, alpha will impact more for minority class. Alpha impacts less for majority class. We will try to understand this with simple example. Let me say negative point class is minority class and positive point class is majority class. Now I have to calculate probability of Wi given y equal to 1 or 0. Let me say for minority class, my numerator is 2 and denominator is 100. For majority class, numerator is 18 and denominator is 900. If you calculate both of them equal to 2%. Let's assume alpha equal to 10. Now what I have to do? I am applying Laplace smoothing. I am adding alpha in numerator and k alpha in denominator. I am assuming k equal to 2, as word may present or may not present. There are two possibilities. Just I am adding alpha in numerator and k alpha in denominator, as we discussed in our previous lectures, isn't it? This is for minority class? What about majority class? Even I am adding alpha and k alpha. If you observe this, now using the same alpha, since numerator and denominator are smaller, here 2%, here this 2% become 10%. In the case of minority class, here your numerator and denominator is small, but whereas in the case of majority class, if your numerator and denominator is big, this 2% is changed to 3.04%. Now using the same alpha, since numerator and denominator are smaller, here that is in minority class, my 2% becomes 10%. This is very important. My 2% got changed to 10%, a huge difference, while here just 2% is converted into 3.04%. Here the numerator and denominator are larger, 18 and 900, the same. Originally both are same. Originally both are 2%, isn't it? But second case got changed less, 2% to 3.04%. For the same alpha, the minority class tends to get impacted more than majority class, okay, which is unfair if you think about it. So what do you do in these cases? You go to standard process, which is upsampling or downsampling. If you have enough data, upsampling or downsampling, those are the standard approaches that we can apply. Of course, there are some solutions that you can do. Solution is, I have one alpha for positive class and I have other alpha for negative class. It's a solution. It's an engineering solution. That's what good engineers do. We understand what the problem is and say, what can I change slightly to make it work? One thing I can say is, I will create different alphas for positive class, different alpha for positive class and different alpha for negative class. But this is a hack. This is not fully grounded in theory. Better solution is upsampling or downsampling. To conclude this, naive Bayes is impacted by imbalanced data. It is impacted by imbalanced data in two ways. It impacts the priors, and to get rid of that problem, do upsampling or downsampling or dropping. It also impacts likelihood ratios. Because of this problem, if you apply Laplace smoothing and the same value of alpha changes your ratios differently for minority class, for majority class gets impacted less, minority class gets impacted more. The workaround for that is upsampling or downsampling or creating different alphas, that is Laplace smoothing. Creating alphas, it's not scientific one, but upsampling and downsampling is scientific. Just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.